They lived by the sword and often died by it. Behind the calm faces of the samurai lay a life bound by an unforgiving code, Bushido. Bushido was not merely a moral guide, it was the spirit that shaped Japan's civilization for centuries. From the 12th century to the dawn of modernization, Bushido defined Japan's sense of honor. The samurai, born amid clan wars, were not just trained to fight. They were taught to live and die for their lord, holding honor above life itself. The word Bushido means the way of the warrior. Yet beneath that simple phrase lies a complex philosophy: courage, loyalty, honesty, and self-control. A single mistake could destroy a family's name forever. Honor was more valuable than life. To die with dignity was preferable to living in disgrace. From this belief came the ritual of seppuku, self-disembowelment to redeem dishonor. For a true samurai, such death was not a tragedy, but a moral liberation. Bushido's roots were woven from Shinto, Zen Buddhism, and Confucianism. Shinto taught purity and loyalty. Zen taught calm in facing death, and Confucianism taught respect for hierarchy. Bushido demanded perfect balance between strength and wisdom. A true samurai conquered both his enemies and himself. For centuries, this code maintained Japan's social order. The samurai became guardians of discipline and honor in a brutal world. But times changed. With the arrival of firearms and the fall of feudalism, the samurai's role began to fade. During the Meiji Restoration in the 19th century, the samurai class was abolished. They were forced to lay down their swords, symbols of their sacred duty. Many could not accept this. Some rebelled, like Saigo Takamori in the Satsuma Rebellion, the last stand of the samurai. Yet even as their era ended, Bushido endured. Its spirit was woven into modern Japan, into work, education, and social ethics. Discipline, responsibility, and loyalty to one's group all trace back to Bushido's principles. Even in Japan's modern business culture, that spirit still breathes. To the Japanese, Bushido is not a relic, but a moral compass. It reminds them that true power comes from self-mastery, not from anger. In a world that constantly changes, Bushido's values remain timeless. Courage, integrity, and responsibility transcend eras and cultures. The samurai may be gone, but their spirit lives on in every person who values honor, loyalty, and hard work. Bushido is not just history, it is a way of life, a philosophy that teaches that true greatness lies not in conquering others, but in conquering oneself.